Final test of the chin mount GoPro microphone system. This has a larger windsock, and there's no wind today, so I can't check out the wind capabilities, but I am currently talking in a normal tone of voice with the face shield all the way up, and this seems to be functioning okay. Now we'll try it with the face shield all the way down. The sound is definitely muffled from what I'm hearing, and I would think I'm talking in about the same tone of voice. And now I'll try it with the face shield partially up to prevent fogging. This is with the face shield partially up, and I'm still talking in a normal tone of voice. And I guess this should be it. Well, hopefully this will be the final test.
Lord, I went to church one day for to hear them shout and pray. Ought to hear the preacher plow that gospel plow. Hold on, hold on. Now keep your hand on the plow and hold right on. The preacher said I must repent, so right down the aisle I went.